Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. I just stumbled upon Springfield, Ohio here and thought I would stop and give you a tour because what I've seen so far, this is a really cool looking town. And I saw something right around the corner here that I didn't know existed, but I thought I'd take you back and show you. That building right there on your right, and we're going to make a right-hand turn here, is the birthplace of the 4-H. I guess I saw everybody looked at me weird. I was going the wrong way up or one way a minute ago. Oops. Yeah, well, stupid tourists. All right, we're going to have to go up here and make a U-turn. Go check out some of this stuff up here. Albert Belmont Graham gets the credit for founding the 4-H back in 1902. The 4-H organization was formed in 1914 when the United States Congress created the Cooperative Extension Service of the USDA. So if you like to eat, you better like farmers because they're the only reason we eat. The original people of the area were the Shawnee. The great Shawnee leader Tecumseh lived in this area and he did everything in his power to rally his people and stop the European invasion. As we all know, he was not successful. James DeMint named Springfield, Ohio after Springfield, Massachusetts. This was back in 1801. In 1818, Clark County was created. Springfield became known as Champion City in reference to the Champion Farm Equipment brand. Later, it was absorbed by International Harvester, which I'm sure just about all of you have probably heard of. In 1894, the Kelly Springfield Tire Company was founded. I've never heard of that either. Harry Aubrey Tomlin Sr., a patent attorney to the Wright brothers, wrote the 1904 patent to their invention of the airplane at the Bushnell Building, eventually granted to the brothers in 1906. This beautiful building is a central community center. On March 7, 1904, over 1,000 white residents formed a lynch mob, stormed the jail, removed prisoner Richard Dixon, a black man, accused of killing police officer Charles Collis. Dixon was shot to death, then hanged from a pole on the corner of Fountain and Main Street, where the mob shot his body numerous times. From there, they rioted, destroying and burning much of the black area of town. 10 automobile companies operated in Springfield. Among them were the Bramwell, Benning, Foose Frere Miller, Kelly Steam, Russell Springfield, and Westcott. The Westcott was known as the car built to last. I hope you've enjoyed the brief history of Springfield, Ohio that I presented here, as well as just touring around this beautiful old town. If you're ever in the area, take a few minutes, drive up and down all the streets. There's a lot more history and a lot more things to see here than I covered in this brief tour. If you would, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please smash that subscribe button. We'll see you again in the next video. Thanks.